321transit.com publishes schedules for each route, in print and online for desktop and mobile. It's important to know that some routes travel in a continuous loop, while others travel in one direction, then switch directions upon reaching each end of the route. These routes may be listed as northbound-southbound, eastbound-westbound, or inbound-outbound. Keep in mind, the travel direction will determine which side of the road the bus stop will be located, and days serviced will vary from route to route. On a desktop computer, under Maps and Schedules, select Routes for a listing of all of the 321 Transit bus routes. Choose a route, direction or loop, and service day, then select the Schedule link or tab. Bus stops are listed vertically. A timetable of stop times are listed horizontally. Choose the departure and destination bus stops. Find the appropriate departure time, then follow the column down to the destination stop row to find the approximate arrival time. One or more transfers may be needed if your destination stop is serviced by a different route. Transfers are listed in the far right column designating a transfer point. Find a transfer point that connects with the desired route to continue your trip. To use the schedules from a mobile device, under Maps and Schedules, select Routes for a listing of all the 321 Transit bus route schedules. Choose a route, direction or loop schedule, then service day. Select the departure bus stop, a departure time, then select the destination bus stop. The approximate arrival and travel time will be displayed. For transfers, upon selecting a route, select connecting bus stops from the appropriate direction and choose the travel day. Each connecting route listing will display transfer points and times. During service hours, find the ETA or the estimated arrival time of the next bus by selecting the More Info button associated with the stop name on any route schedule page. For questions, call the Ride line at 321-633-1878. Space Coast Area Transit, moving Brevard into the future.